your money.
Also tonight, WPBF 25 News uncovers video of a police pursuit that ended with a crash and seriously injured an innocent senior citizen. That crash happened 2 years ago in Riviera Beach as officers pursued a stolen car. Good evening. I'm Farron Sallee.
And I'm Gianna Caserta. Thanks so much for joining us. That woman's attorney now wants those police officers held accountable. Investigative reporter Terry Parker is the only reporter to get her hands on that video, and she's live now in the newsroom with this WPBF 25 News exclusive. Terry.
The lawyer for the victim says there was no need for Riviera Beach cops to chase a stolen car that had been carjacked a week before because they didn't even know who was behind the wheel at that time. And in the meantime, they endangered the public, he says, and severely injured an 84-year-old woman. This is police dashcam video of a high-speed stolen car chase in 2016. Riviera Beach cops spotted a red Infiniti that had been carjacked a week before. And at least 5 officers chased the driver from North Congress Avenue to Martin Luther King Boulevard until that suspect ran a red light at Military Trail, slamming into 84-year-old Arlene Rochkin's car.
When you see the impact, it is awful.
Brian LaBovick is starting a lawsuit against the Riviera Beach Police Department because he says they broke their own policies, which prohibit chases unless the need to catch the suspect outweighs the danger to the community.
They broke every regulation that they had. They didn't follow any of their own policies.
Rochkin was severely injured, rushed to the trauma unit where surgeons put her in a coma for weeks. Seen here in a deposition, she says she still doesn't remember the crash and her eye needs more surgery. Bovick says the dashcam recorder showed the officers going up to 115 miles per hour in crowded parts of town. Here, you see the suspect drive up on the sidewalk where a man jumps out of the way. A second later, the police officer drives up on the sidewalk, too. All dangerous, all unnecessary, according to LaBovick.
There was no rational basis to chase a 12-year-old car at 115 miles an hour in a populated time.
And tonight, Riviera Beach Police say because they have been served now with a notice of intent to sue, they can't comment on pending litigation. In the newsroom, Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.